Okay guys, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. So who has this kind of monstrosity in their yard? We had a pool last year and this is what we ended up with. I know some of you may have this where you had a pool or maybe a trampoline on top of it and the grass just doesn't grow. We waited to see if it filled in, and well, it's filled in, but obviously with a bunch of weeds. So we came up with an idea for the kids to make it look nice. We're gonna go ahead and clear it all out and plan it up, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the vision that we had of what we wanted to do, and I think it's gonna come out great. We're gonna use some stone crop here, which is a good ground cover. It goes to about 24 inches wide. Then we're gonna use some Super Tunia Vista bubblegum. They love the sun, so they'll do really well out here. And so we got them all spaced out. So the stone crop we have about 2 feet away from the bird bath, and then 16 inches apart from each other, and then we just filled in with the bubble gum here. Once they grow in, they'll look nice, and I'll show you an example right now because we have one that's missing right here, but never fear, here's one that we had. It's a huge one. Due to the rain and the bad weather we had, it knocked it over and fell out of the pot, so it's looking scraggly right now. We didn't discover it for a while because it was behind some other stuff. But we're gonna trim it down and just put it back in that spot there, and hopefully it comes up looking nice and it'll fill in with the rest of them. Okay guys, here's the final view of what it looks like. We didn't end up using the big Super Tunia over there. It's a gallon size. I think it's just too big to try to fit in there. I'm gonna try tomorrow morning to find one that I can just stick in there real quick. We ended up going with brown mulch. The Super Tunia will quickly fill this whole area, and that sedum will get about 18 to 24 inches. That's why I mulched out a little bit more than what I needed to. I can cut it back a little bit and maybe seed around there with some grass so it can fill in real nice. Overall, love the way it looks with the bird bath there. It's a nice spot. The birds come around more often now. They don't leave. They know they're not getting harmed, so they really enjoy it. Again, I used biotone for this Espoma biotone for the sedum. Then I used the slow release Proven Winners fertilizer for the Super Tunia Vista bubblegums. So I think it's gonna do good. Back there in the corner there, we're thinking about doing some type of water feature, specifically a pond. And then the way this is gonna grow up, so what we did was it's just a nice spot for the kids to enjoy. We have the bench there. We're gonna do some more stuff here, like I said. And overall, I mean, it's a good spot. Our patio is right there. So when you come out, you see all this right here, and it's just a lot more inviting to the outdoors than, you know, just coming out here and staring at grass or whatever the case is. So we pulled up all the weeds. Hopefully the mulch will keep the weeds from regrowing. The weed that was in there is dollar weed, and if anybody's dealt with dollar weed, it's very easy to pull out. The vines, or actually the roots, can grow out to about 2 feet, so you can just grab it and pull it up all the way through. But again, I think it came out really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like it, give me a like. Please subscribe. And again, we'll see you in the next video. Okay, so here's our vision of what we want to do. Awesome. But okay, what we got here is